Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Stefan back here with another video. If you're new here and you don't know me, my name is Stefan. I am a second year medical student and I just basically make videos on medicine, university and just productivity related stuff. I also sometimes make videos on motivation, so stay tuned for that if that's what you enjoy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well because we're trying to go higher. So basically uni is starting and you kind of need to get your organization in check before you start lectures, before you get into the drift of uni. So here are 3 tips on how I stay organized in university. Tip number 1, a diary. Now, diaries are actually underrated. Diaries will help you plan your day, it will help you plan your year. As soon as you get your timetable released for whatever you're doing in uni, whatever course you're doing, no matter what, make sure to get a diary and make sure to write down everything you're doing. Because you can get so many emails, so much paperwork, so many things, and you can't simply fit all these things into your head throughout the entire academic year. So getting a diary to write everything and anything in related to university or just related to productivity or life itself will help you extremely. Now I know it can be annoying, especially when you get your timetable and you have to write every single thing into this diary of yours and again check it just to open up the book and check the diary and close it up again and write stuff in it. It can be quite annoying, but trust me, discipline is needed in these situations, okay? To constantly write in this diary, to constantly jot little things down that are needed throughout the academic year, little things down that you will potentially forget will help you. It will go a long way, it will go a long while. So make sure to do that. Tip number 2, post-it notes. Now, post-it notes are like diaries. Really, all the tips I'm about to give you are kind of similar. Post-it notes are basically the shortened form of diaries. So if you quickly need to jot something down and run out the house, or you feel like there's something that you need to remember throughout the day, or just even little affirmations that you need to put out for yourself, just jot it down on a post-it note, put it on your mirror, put it on your wall, put it wherever you can see quickly. Like for me, for example, I have post-it notes next to my study space, so where I need to study, I'll make sure that the post-it notes are within eye view, so I can either look left or look to my right and I'll see the post-it note that's needed to remind me of the task that I need to do within the day. So that's why post-it notes are essential. Now, the disadvantage with a post-it note is you cannot jot down as much as you can for a diary. A diary you can jot down as much as you want, well, given the space provided, but with a post-it note you can only jot down really many things, many tasks in a day to do. That is the reason why I would recommend a diary more. However, a post-it note can be useful, especially when you need to write quick things and you just need to post it somewhere and you just need to look left or right just to, remind yourself about these things. In my opinion, I would get both, mainly because a diary is more of a calendar to me. I would rather have a book form of a calendar than, post a calendar on my wall or, go on the school website every time I need to remember or look for something. I would rather have that portable calendar with me that I can take anywhere and everywhere I need to. On the other hand, I also appreciate the usefulness of a post-it note as well. For example, if I know that there's a topic that I need to do or if there's something that I need to do, I'll make sure to write it on a post-it note. Literally looking left or right in my room next to my study space, I can quickly remember what I need to do. So yeah. Lastly, Notion. And I know, study YouTube, StudyTube, StudyGram, everything has mentioned Notion on and on and on again, but you guys need to understand how useful Notion is. I might give a Notion tour in the future if requested, but Notion is so useful. You can literally do everything and anything on Notion. What you can do on a diary and on a post-it note, you can also do on Notion. So Notion can help you organize a task list, Notion can help you organize a calendar, Notion can help you organize your study timetable, Notion can help you organize your school timetable. It can help you with everything. So the alternative to a diary and a post-it note and post-it notes is probably Notion. It's nothing fancy. Like you can literally just look up on YouTube how to use Notion or how to make your Notion aesthetic, or even download templates or use templates to help you with your Notion aesthetic. It's nothing you need to know how to code for or anything. Like it's something simple that you can learn in 30 minutes to an hour. It doesn't take long at all. On that note, I would say Notion is probably a better alternative to post-it notes and diaries. The only problem with Notion is every time you want to organize yourself or anytime you need to see what tasks you have planned, you have to open up your laptop or computer and look at the Notion app and physically see what you need to do. Whereas on a post-it note, it's literally just there, right and physical, right in front of you. Or in a diary, you can literally just open it up and it's literally right there in front of you. So that's something I'll take into account when thinking about which organizational tool I should use. So those are the 3 tips on organization. Those are the 3 things I use for organization. I don't use all of them all of the time. Mostly I use Notion or I use a post-it note. A diary is something that I'm becoming more accustomed to be fully honest. But all 3 of them have helped me throughout, and I'm sure they will help you as well. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that shebang. Make sure to follow my socials as well, because if you need to ask questions or if you have any queries or inquiries, just make sure to DM me or message me there. And yeah, that's me. That's your boy, Stefan. Hope you guys have a good day. Peace, love, prosperity, and deuces.